Dynamic FRM, Formula and Recipe Management System. Built on the Microsoft Dynamics 365 platform, it's scalable, secure, and easy to use. Stop using spreadsheets and outdated systems and use Dynamic FRM to manage ingredients, formulas, recipes, packaging, and more. Cloud-based and accessible anywhere there is a browser, including PC and Mac, tablet, and mobile phone. Like all elements in the solution, raw materials and ingredients have a primary area for data, as well as tabs that contain information like instructions, handling and storage, other properties, and nutritional information. Formulas are tracked and calculated. Ingredients can be added, and the nutritionals and other components are rolled up into the formula. Measurements, such as microbiological and chemical, can also be tracked. Formulas can be cloned and versioned to capture a history of development. Recipes are the instructions that go alongside the formula. They contain a list of the ingredients as well as the physical tasks such as assembly, mixing, and cooking. The servings can be set, and the recipe ingredients will be scaled to meet that quantity. Finished or sellable goods are the final stage of the development cycle. The finished good is comprised of a bill of materials that contains packaging items as well as the product itself. Other information that can be tracked includes case pattern and pallet pattern that extends the functionality of the solution beyond the development cycle. Supplier information is stored in the solution as well and includes general, location, and item information. Using the supplier record, you can see an example of basic business process flow in the ribbon at the top. This is core functionality to the solution. Processes can be mapped and standardized, and in this example, there is an approval process for the supplier. Each stage of the process contains steps and notifications to guide those responsible on how to complete their tasks. Leveraging the Microsoft 365 suite of functionality, the solution provides powerful functions. For example, document management is built into the system using Microsoft SharePoint. Each element in the Dynamic FRM solution can contain documents that can be shared and versioned. Leveraging another core Microsoft toolset, Dynamic FRM is integrated with Teams to provide a collaboration platform to users. Any element in the solution can be collaborated on, and the resulting conversation is memorialized in the system. Dashboards and analytics are available in Dynamic FRM. They can be created and configured by users to provide a personalized view of the data. Data can also be displayed in configurable reports of any layout or style. Project management is built into the system and provides a more robust set of controls for development cycles. The system has user and role-based security to grant and restrict access to the right people. Changes to all data is audited, with these changes available for users to view. Ingredient and label functionality leverages integrations with Genesis R&D and the USDA. Cost and BOM information can be shared with ERP systems. Dynamic FRM. Visit us at www.dynamicfrm.com.